Les adjectifs qualificatifs. Les adjectifs qualificatifs means qualificative adjectives. Now, we need adjectives to qualify certain things. Here we have masculine, feminine. Certain adjectives stand in front of the noun, but certain stand after the noun. So these ones comes after the noun. We say un quartier élégant, une ville élégante means an elegant neighborhood. Une ville élégante, an elegant city. Quartier, neighborhood or district. Ville, city or town. Un quartier ancien means an ancient neighborhood. Une ville ancienne, an ancient city. Un quartier riche, it means a rich neighborhood. Une ville riche, it means a rich city. Un quartier moderne, a modern neighborhood. Une ville moderne, a modern city. Now, notice, these are adjectives, qualificative adjectives. Meaning what? They qualify the noun, but they are also adjective, means they have to take masculine or feminine gender. According to this, you see élégant ending with T. We do not read the T, but élégant ending with E, we read the T, meaning masculine, feminine. Ancien, ancienne, ancien masculin, ancienne féminine. Riche, riche, moderne, moderne. Meaning what? Last time when we were talking, we said 3 types of adjectives. Here it's ending with a consonant. We are adding E on the feminine side. It's ending with ien. We are adding ien on the feminine side. It's ending with E. It doesn't change. Okay?